come make ice cream with me. Welcome to Making Ice Cream with Jesus, a land flowing with milk and honey. And speaking of milk and honey, can you guess what my favorite ice cream flavor is? So let's get started. Here are the supplies that you'll need to make ice cream. Man, has technology changed since I first came to the earth. We have a Ninja blender, a Cuisinart ice cream maker, and of course the ingredients: milk, honey, yogurt, and whipping cream, or whipping cream. Now let's put all the ingredients in this blender. Now blend all the ingredients in the blender. It's very bubbly. Now how do you turn this thing on? Oh. Now, I assume the bowl goes in here. Not well acquainted with modern tech. I believe it just sits right on there. Now, carefully add the contents of the blender into the ice cream maker. It seems that some of the contents consolidated after they were blended, but that shouldn't be any problem because I'm sure it'll be stirring in this ice cream maker for quite some time. 25 minutes to be exact. Wow, we have a land overflowing with milk and honey right here.
Milk and honey ice cream?
Indeed.
David.
And David, if you're watching this, meow. Meow.
That's a land flowing with milk and honey, David. Shout out to David.
Love is patient. Wait for your ice cream to become ice cream. Wait for it to solidify. Okay, so we're back. Do not judge. I am the judge. And I say this looks pretty solid. Build upon the solid ground, not the sand that sinks. So in the same way, your ice cream needs to be solid. Like this looks very solid. Oh my, I can hear the silence now. I promised you a land flowing with milk and honey, but this is just a taste.